Today is a very big holiday in Estonia. It's called Jaanipäev. What are you doing?
I want to put this in your bag.
We are at the yacht club. Excuse me. It's very nice here. The sun is going down. People just having a very nice time.